Then this is an innovation generation pyramid, which has foreseen by Atal Innovation Mission of Niti Aayog, Government of India. They have basically Atal Tinkering Labs. There are more than 10,000 schools all over the country, and each state has around 400. AP has 427 Atal Tinkering Labs, and Telangana has again number of hundreds of Atal Tinkering Labs in different schools. So in each school, Government of India through Atal Innovation Mission gives 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs for the equipment basically to build, and 10 lakhs as a recurring expenditure over a period of 5 years. So like that, they want to have a big pyramid base where the school children are thing. Then these are expected to be handheld by the institutional innovation cells in different engineering colleges and colleges, and Atal Community Innovation Centers, ACICs. So these organizations have to handhold these schools, and then finally these two will be guided by Atal Incubation Centers. The Government of India wants to set up around 100 Atal Incubation Centers all over the country, and this will be very, very difficult to come to this stage. So each college can keep contributing at these stages so that you can always apply in the years to come to move on to, once you show your progress, you can always move on to become a Atal Incubation Center for a bigger funding of the thing. So this is the innovation generation pyramid as envisaged by Atal Innovation Mission, Government of India. Then very recently, as I said, we are hand-holding, we have been guiding 427 schools in Andhra Pradesh. And very recently, we have Atal Innovation Mission has identified 4 schools in Andhra Pradesh, schools from Andhra Pradesh Social Welfare Schools, Talapalam, Vishakhapatnam, and 1 school from Guntur, and 1 school from Prakasham district, and 1 school from Srikakulam district. So like this, 1 model school from. So 5 schools were mentored by us in 2 different. We have conducted a 1-week program for all these 5 schools selected by Atal Innovation Mission, and they have come out with their ideas. We have brought them to the level of bringing out a prototype with our guidance. This is a special report appeared in Niti Aayog's brochure for Atal Tinkering Labs. And this is a report come from Hindu edition of the thing. So this is just an example. And every college can take up this, identify who are all the schools available in their vicinity and keep guiding them. This is how you can build up your ecosystem. When school children come to the college, your own students see why these students are coming, why the school, what are the ideas of the school children, and that is how we build up the ecosystem. Then once you have a startup, then how you can scale up basically. So you have a Atal Tinkering Labs basically so you can conduct an innovation orientation program. That's exactly what we do in different Atal Tinkering Labs, basically to identify and nurture innovations. Then the next phase is conduct the same entrepreneurship orientation program in different colleges and institutional innovation cells. So again, you come to identify and nurture the innovations. And these two together, they come here for individual startups. We conduct individual startups orientation program. And again, to identify and nurture startups, innovations. So in all these things, we are going back to a startup where this is how we are getting. And the startup, you will have the facility for mentoring, product development, IPR, business plan development, compliances, investments, linkages with both academics and industry, and partnership, again, both academic and. So we will identify basically how to link you to which industry expert, which domain expert, which academic institution is working on the same lines, and how to partnership. And we can always do that kind of a thing.